Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkaz channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on your tablet or laptop. This should be a simple and straightforward process. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First, open the search menu and type Settings. The best match should appear. Go ahead and open it. On the left panel, select System, and on the right side, scroll down and click Power. Here you'll see Power Mode, which allows you to optimize your device based on power usage and performance. Click the drop-down menu and for both plugged in and on battery, select Best Power Efficiency. You can also scroll down to Energy Saver and toggle it on for an extra boost in battery life. And that's it. Two simple settings can help extend your battery life. I hope it was helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.